Cooking time!
Hello guys, Coma19 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely dessert. These are the ingredients you will need to make this wonderful dessert. Hey everyone, Coma19 here. Welcome to a little cooking video I decided to make because I wanted to try and make a little dessert. I've been planning and seeing what it looks like and just thought I'd try and make it for once. So yeah, you will need ice cream, sugar, tangerine, orange, nectarine, whatever you want to call it, banana, and maple syrup. I'll show you a bird's eye view of that in a sec. So yeah, let's just put these away. You also need, not really a big one and not a kid's one, but say a medium-sized plate. So let's get this started with the main thing, which is ice cream. To do this, you will need, say, an ice cream scooper, which we do not have, so we'll just be using a spoon. Let's open this ice cream and just scoop some up. You have to wash your hands before doing this, by the way. Have to make a bit of a sphere, semi-circle sphere, to begin with, to make it. Let's add a bit more on that. I'd say that's enough. Okay. I'll probably smooth it out later, but for now, that's probably as much as we can do. Now look at my hands. We'll have to wash my hands again, so we'll be handling other foods. Try it. Okay, hold on a second. Got something. Okay, then you want to get banana and open it. Don't need the whole banana for this, but fair amount of scoops, not scoops, slices. Can be as thick as you want, but don't make it too thick. Let's get a knife, and you probably should do this on a separate plate, but yeah, I'm just doing a little. What's this? No, that's not. Let's just do it here. That'll be about all. Look at the ones you want, and I think I'll need around 4 or 6 for this, but just push them into each side of the ice cream. You could do 8, make it surround it, but no, I'm just going to do 4 this time. Then you want to kind of do the same thing with your mandarin. Hold on, got ice cream fingers again. Yeah, open your mandarin, try and get all the skin off without doing much damage or getting rid of any of the little things inside, because yeah, one of the main reasons I only did 4 banana things around the whole thing is because we're going to be putting these on the rest of the corners that I didn't do it on. So, take as much as you want. You could do 2 at a time, it's up to you. Yeah, just push them into the gaps. This is how it looks so far, by the way. There we go. How does that look? Then you want to get your maple syrup, which I have already opened. Now, be very careful with this. You're going to drip a tiny bit on the top and let it soak down everything. Then, where's the sugar? Oh, here's the sugar. Get a tiny bit of sugar. Put it in your spoon, of course. Don't use the spoon we've been using for the ice cream. That's coffee. Why do I have coffee? Where's the... oh, here's the sugar. Not much, say... about that much, not even a whole spoonful. Just slightly decorate it over everything. If you want, you can smooth it out a bit with the bottom of the spoon. And that is it. That is how you make... what am I going to call this? I'll call it a Fruity Maple Delight. Okay, that's how I make a Fruity Maple Delight. I'll just clean up. Since these are on the bench and one's on the floor, and they've just been on this the whole time, we'll put them in the bin. Lucky I didn't use all of them, because who knows? I wonder, could that go on the top? Nah. I would have to add that to my plans too, but guys, that is how you make a Fruity Maple Delight. Now, I'll be right back with you guys when I bring this to my dad, and he's going to judge this. So I'll be right back with you guys. So, what did you think?
Oh, that was lovely. That was very nice. Thank you.
Good presentation, you said?
Oh, yeah, the presentation was very good.
Anything that you think could be improved?
No, that was very nice. The presentation was good. It was a lovely, cold, light dessert. I like the dusting of sugar on top.
Thank you.
And the maple syrup was very nice.
It added to the flavour?
It did add to the flavour. It was good use of everything. There was not too many elements. And it was the perfect size. It wasn't too small or too large. It was very refreshing.
So now, what would be
and very Moorish
your overall score out of 1 to 10? Hold on, drum roll.
Yes, I would give that a 9 out of 10.
Doo-doo-ch. Thank you, Dad. Well, everyone, that's how you make the Fruity Maple Delight. If you think I should do anything else, comment down below. Sorry, something happened with recording and had to do some of that again. But yeah, that's gone. Where'd he go? He turned into a monkey. No, I didn't. That's actually my sister's. But still. Anyway, if you have any other things I should probably cook or do, any challenges, experiments, anything you have in mind, just put it in the comments below, and I'll think. I just might even do it. I'll think about doing it. But yeah, put anything you want me to do in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, guys, I will see you, and me, in the next video. Bye-bye. Everyone, guys, Comma19 here. Bloopers for that video. My sister made a thing, and she wants me to judge it and eat it, so I'll be right back when I'm done. Terrible.